back to my channel. So today I decided to do a little vlogging because I haven't vlogged in what, like 2 weeks. So I felt like, yeah, it's time, sis. We're due for a little vloggy vlog. Well, I'm just beginning my day. I'm just up, responding to some comments, checking emails, all that good stuff, and just finished up some editing for the actual blog, makeupmisha.com. If you haven't browsed, or beautybishop.com, whichever floats your boat. Type in either one. It takes you to the same great place, girl. Like I said, I'm just smashing a bowl of grapes in bed. About to get up and make me some real breakfast, honey. I need a hot breakfast. This was good. This was the appetizer, but we ready for the meat and potatoes. We're gonna make something good. So I figured we just have breakfast together today, okay? But it's more like brunch because it is after 12 p.m. So it's after 12. It's like 12:30, something to that effect. But nonetheless, I'm getting started, okay? The key is just to get, it don't matter what time you start, you just got to get started, okay? So we're gonna get started. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because I do upload pretty regularly. Alright, so I've eaten all my grapes. It's time for the main course. I'm ready to eat something good. Let's go make an omelet. How does that sound? Let's do omelets for breakfast. Yes, girl, I'm going to show you how I make the best omelet ever. It's quick and easy in my opinion, okay? It's quick and easy. But any given day, these are the goodies that you would find in here all the time. I love my croissants. Y'all know I love my croissants. I do my breakfast setups almost all the time using croissants. I make sandwiches. I eat them with jelly. I just love a croissant, girl. Toast them up. Ooh. Make cheese, split them in half, put them in the oven, put a little butter and cheese on them. They make the absolute best cheese toast, and I picked those up from Walmart along with my triple chocolate muffins. Ooh, the best chocolate muffins ever. But nonetheless, let's get started with the omelet making. I got a whole bunch of stuff in my, I like to just use these chops right here in my omelet. Everything all chopped and ready to go, girl. Quick and easy. You got onions, celery, red peppers, green peppers, and parsley flakes. Alright, girl, go ahead and grab your bowl and your whisk, girl, because we about to beat it, girl. We got to beat that egg. Got to beat that egg. Alright, so I'm just going to use 2 jumbo eggs. These are the eggs, 2 of them. They don't really look jumbo to me. And I'm just cracking them directly into the bowl. Eggs into the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and put in our ingredients. You can add whatever you want, but before you add your ingredients, you do want to whisk that thing up. Alright, looks good. Now this is where you'd add all of your stuff. Your bell peppers, onions, your this, your that, your salt and pepper, whatever seasons you like. We're going to add salt, pepper. I'm going to do turkey and cheese in here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add it all in. Turkey, I like a lot of cheese, okay? I like mine real cheesy.
I like it cheesy. I like it meaty, girl. I like a lot. Y'all know I love food and I love to eat. I love to eat. So we're going to make sure this one's extra good. Lots of meat, girl. Lots of meat. And I get the seasoned turkey when I go, like the Cajun style, the buffalo sometimes, or the tomato basil turkey. And I get my meat shaved at Walmart. I like a lot of veggies too, girl. You know, I like a lot of everything. Give me all you can give me, girl. Give it all to me. I'm going to put this back in the freezer. I should put this in an extra Ziploc bag to keep it fresh. So I'll probably go back and do that in a minute. Ooh. Girl, she is looking good and smelling good already. There's something about those veggies, honey. The celery and the onions and bell peppers just smell so good. And if you're making this for somebody, girl, they're going to think you know what you're doing, girl. Ooh. Now, if you have some fresh spinach to go ahead and drop in here, that would be bomb.com. I don't have any, but I'm going to add extra pepper, though. So this is what the omelet looks like so far. This is what your mixture is going to look like. Well, like I said, feel free to add whatever you want to add to it, girl. Though I'm using a non-stick pan, I'm still going to coat it with this. And this is my olive oil spray. We're going to make sure that thing does not stick. Now that the pan is nice and warm, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the omelet. Oh, she's heavy, girl. She's heavy. She thick. I don't know, girl. I'm tempted to add a little more cheese. What do you think? Cheese it up or nah? Cheese make it taste better. Cheese make it taste better. Cheese make it taste better. As you see, it is cooking really nicely around the edges. I'm going to let it get a little more, flip it once it's a little more solid. Oh, girl, it's looking good and smelling so good. So good. Alright, she's just about ready to flip it. We're going to flip it, girl. We're going to flip it. Well, not flip it, but fold it. Oh, Lord, I'm going to mess this up just because y'all watching. No, I didn't. Look at that. Girl, I do this. Go ahead and hate if you want to. Hate if you want to, but you see it, girl. You see it. Look at that. Perfect. Chef Misha. Okay, then. I'm going to add personal chef to my resume soon. Okay. Gourmet cook. Ooh. Oh, look at it. I did that. Girl, and it smells so good. I cannot lie. I wish they would come out with a camera with smell-o-vision, and YouTube needs to, you know, put that function in there so you can smell what we cooking here. Can you smell what Misha is cooking? Okay. Look at it. Alright, so let me let it finish. I don't like my eggs runny. I don't like to eat raw eggs. I'm not there yet. I don't think I'd ever be there yet. I'm not that refined of a eater where I like raw egg. I don't like anything raw. I don't like raw meats, raw eggs, none of that. The only thing I want to eat raw is vegetables, okay? That's it. And fruits. Other than that, cook my food, please. If it's supposed to be cooked, I want it cooked. Heat that up. Alright, it is done. It is so beautiful. This is so huge. This is enough for two. You can split this in half and have a brunch or breakfast for two. So I'm going to go ahead and plate it up. Alright, girl, I got it plated up. We are ready for the patio or either the bed. I don't know where I feel like going. So I got it on my handy dandy tray. Patio or the bed? Patio or the bed? Because my computer is already on the bed, we're going to go to the bed. Alright, girl, this is the perfect scene for me. The perfect setup, girl. Absolutely perfection. I'm ready to eat. This is so good. Loving it. OMG. So delicious. Now sometimes I do like a side of salsa with my omelets. Oh. On point. Alright guys, so I just finished breakfast. It was bomb.com where I'm gonna just cozy back on up and get in this bed, take a nap. Cause ain't too much more I can do for you today. I'm done. I got Diamond over here on the phone. I'm gonna talk to her a little bit. We're planning my birthday shenanigans. We got just about 2 months. And that's about it. Here's Diamond. You wanna say hello?
Hey yo.
Hey yo. Yes, honey. Diamond is orchestrated the birthday, and it is going to be an extravaganza, honey. Extravaganza. So that is what we're planning right now, okay? She just created my invite. It's real cute. I'll show y'all that later. We're getting in the goodie bag situation together for that. Yes, I will be giving gifts at my own birthday party, okay? But yeah, girl, that's about it for me. I know this is a short vloggy vlog, but I don't know what else there is. I'm tired. I bitch is tired. I gotta take me a nap, and then I get up and do my nails and things a little later. But yeah, girl, I'm out.